Hey guys, I just bought this set. It's quite a nice one, and I'm actually in love with the highlighter, like for years. I'm a huge fan of this one. As you can see, it's of a normal size. It has a brush. Let me show you. Like that, and it's quite comfortable in terms of applications, how you apply it. And in order to start using it, you have to push here, and if you think that the liquid, the highlighter on the brush has finished, just push a few times here and it will top up basically. So for me, it's in terms of colors and in terms of consistency and in terms of design of how you can actually easily put it in your bag and use it on the go. It's one of my favorites actually. Oops, sorry, I'm just trying to close it. So this is one of my favorite here, and now they have an offer because on its own I believe highlighter should cost about 20 euro or so, with 50% discount, so it's even more expensive. And I found this set for 23.95. It includes the highlighter itself and the small lipstick. It's not the usual size, as you can see. It's a small one, it's a mini one, but well, as a bonus for like 4 euros, Yves Saint Laurent lipstick, it's quite a nice bonus to have, especially if we consider that sometimes, especially on this in this New Year's nights parties, we don't have much space in our bags or clutches even. So this one may be the ideal addition to the set. So the overall price for both, it's quite a bargain, I would say. And the color that I'm currently using, it's for the highlight it's number 2. I guess it's one of the most popular ones. And for the lipstick, it's an M, as you can see. An M, let's see it in more details. It's a bit, so I would say it's a bit on the browner side. I think it will be ideal for redheads, but it depends on your color, on the color of your skin. So basically it's universal, more or less natural. And you can actually apply it in a thick layer, it's going to be brighter, or you can actually mix it with the balm on top, like transparent balm, it's going to be softer. And so this is the set that I would highly recommend for yourself as a New Year's gift for yourself or for your family or friends. So just an idea for a good price, and I'm sure you will be satisfied, you and your friends as well. Subscribe, like, comment, ask me anything, and I'll do my best to answer as soon as possible. Have a great festive season, guys.